Still live at Anomansa restaurant inside St. George's Castle, and I have the manager of Anomansa restaurant here with me. Chairman, what's the name?
Boko Bozu.
Bibi Abokoa. Bibi Abokoa.
Bibi Boko Bozu.
All right. Member Anomansa hon komo kakra. Abe here na wo babazi wa.
3 years ago.
3 years ago. So that's like 2023.
2023, yeah.
Oh, I want sound.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
That was when my grandmother died.
Oh, okay. So how's business? Like 3 years running, how has it been?
Not easy. Not easy.
Great. Now I feel why baby I'm a nabakatwe another or a normal session. I be baha
Yeah, Bibi ama Edna Baptiste. So then top of it's a lounge for anybody who wants to just sit, relax and drink and just look at the view from this side. The harbour and then the lagoon itself.
Oh, the Benya Lagoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
So here is purposely for Bakatui.
Right.
The top here. And then the whole Anomansa.
Okay.
We have Lemon Beach also. We have Lemon Lounge. We have Lemon Arcade.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
okay.
Anomansa is part of Lemon Group.
Wow.
Yeah.
And this Obi Baha, Abes Bandem na what on hade.
So we serve both local and then continental foods.
Okay.
So we have with the locals, we have Wache, we have Angwamo, we have the favorite food from Elmina, which is Garingo. Garingo with fancy.
Ono, how was it?
Apofofun when Isban.
Oh, okay.
Which was introduced way back.
Okay.
Nyanti.
Where you are?
Wait, yeah, you had it.
Oh, I see.
And then the pricing is so normal. Normal. The price is normal.
Right. Afia so manager, and you customers and kasa, abe message as number one, and then the year coming ahead, 2027. What should people expect from Anomansa restaurant?
It's a big question.
Yeah. So give me an answer.
Yeah, they should expect more.
Right.
More. So far as we are on the Lemon Group, and then we are in Elmina here. So Anomansa is basically for Anomansa people.
Okay.
So the name is from
the town,
Elmina. I don't know if you know about this, that Elmina is actually called Anomansa restaurant.
I know.
Sorry, Anomansa, not the restaurant. Yeah. So then we took the name from Anomansa because we are here for the people of Anomansa. That's why we chose the name.
All right.
Yeah.
So people listening and watching, anytime you're in Elmina, make sure you pass by Anomansa restaurant located inside the Elmina Castle.
Not really inside. This is an extension from the castle.
Okay.
If you say inside, it's like in a dungeon. Yes.
That
is what people don't know about.
Okay.
So we are in the extension of that is in the area of Elmina Castle.
When you get into the castle on your left-hand side, you follow the directional map.
Yeah, we have maps. So we have locations coming down here.
Right. Right. Thank you very much, manager, for talking to us, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you too.
And let business boom so you can make more money. And I understand you do some charity works for the people of Elmina.
Of course, not Elmina only.
Okay. We want you to do more. So congratulations, and we wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.
Right.